Hey everybody, this is Shawn Metzger with Marvelous Mouse Travels, and with so many people stuck at home right now, not being able to go to work, not being able to travel, not being able to go on vacation, or even school, I wanted to go ahead and share with you a couple adult versions of a popular Disney recipe that's going around on the internet right now. You've seen a lot of recipes coming out around Dole Whips, and there's some copycat recipes, some recipes out of Dole, and of course the traditional recipe out of Disney. So I wanted to go ahead and do that and amp it up a little bit for you to enjoy on your weekends when you're done with your distant learning. So the first one I'm going to do today is the Dole Whip Pro. I'm going to go ahead and start off with my Dole Whip here. And I already made this Dole Whip using ice cream, pineapple juice, and obviously frozen pineapple as well. Go ahead and put that in there. I'm then going to go ahead and add 3 ounces of Moscato. And this recipe could be bought in downtown Disney. If you go to Wine Bar George and just go up to their service window, the basket, you can get it there. I think it's about $13. Go ahead and do that. And then I'm going to go ahead and add 1 ounce of vodka in there. All right, just going to go ahead and pop that in the blender and give that a whirl. And that is your Dole Whip Pro. If you don't have Moscato, you can always use something like a Riesling instead if you want to do that. There's a shot of that right there. So for my second recipe, I'm going to do a lime Dole Whip Margarita. And this can be bought if you go to the Barefoot Pool at the Polynesian. They serve that at the pool bar there. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and add a little bit of lime, obviously, to my Dole Whip that I've already made here. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and rim this glass here, and I'm gonna put a little bit of tahini on there, which is basically a mixture of chili powder, dehydrated lime, and salt. You can buy this at any Mexican store that you go to. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and add this into the blender here. There is my Dole Whip, and go ahead and add my half a lime in there. And I'm going to go ahead and add in 1.5 ounces of tequila. That in there. Lime wheel. And there you go. That is your lime Dole Whip Margarita. So hope you enjoy these. Go ahead and share them with anybody out there that might be interested. And have a great day and stay safe.